Deep in the woods, under the sky so blue, two boys marching, singing songs so true. Steve and Brandon on a hike so grand, singing military tunes, side by side they stand. Oh, the joys of finding our first nudie magazine, celebrating becoming real men, living the dream. In the heart of nature, feeling wild and free. Oh, the thrill of discovering what we were meant to see. As they trudge along, a sight catches their eye, an abandoned filing cabinet, a treasure trove nearby. They open it up, curious minds at play, but what Steve finds inside makes him run away. Oh, the joys of finding our first nudie magazine, celebrating becoming real men, living the dream. In the heart of nature, feeling wild and free. Oh, the thrill of discovering what we were meant to see. Steve, what's wrong? Brandon asks with care, but Steve just grins, holding something rare. He reveals his find, June 2003, club in hand. Brandon's eyes widen, together they understand. Oh, the joys of finding our first nudie magazine, celebrating becoming real men, living the dream. In the heart of nature, feeling wild and free. Oh, the thrill of discovering what we were meant to see. Oh, the joys of finding our first nudie magazine, celebrating becoming real men, living the dream. In the heart of nature, feeling wild and free. Oh, the thrill of discovering what we were meant to see. Underneath the trees, with the sun's golden gleam, Steve and Brandon celebrate like a vibrant dream. In the woods they'll roam, forever they'll be, two boys turn men in sweet harmony. Joys turn men in sweet harmony. Celebrate like a vibrant dream. In the woods they'll roam, forever they'll be, two boys turn men